this is the first video in my new series, VHS versus DVD. I hope you enjoy. Today we're doing Demolition Man. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the VHS copy. This was my first copy that I had. By the way, if you haven't watched Demolition Man, you really should. It's an awesome movie. You got Sylvester Stallone, and you got Wesley Snipes, and man, what a great movie. Action, sci-fi, great stuff. I love it. It's also got Sandra Bullock in it. But yeah. This is what the tape looks like. Pretty great stuff. Gotta love it. Yeah. That's pretty much it for that one. So now, let's check out the DVD that I picked up later on. I wanted a DVD copy because I mostly collect DVDs. So here's the DVD. Yeah. Same cover. But as you can see, it's one of the old Snapcase DVDs. But yeah. Pretty great. This is a double-sided disc. It has widescreen and standard. And yeah, it's a fun one. But yeah, definitely check this movie out. I definitely recommend it. This is them side by side. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a vid. Alright, see ya. Goodbye.